So अभी मुझे कुछ दिन पहले मैसेज आया था that शिखा I have some kind of pigmentation and forehead पे भी कुछ प्रॉब्लम है. करिश्मा ने बोला था around the chin area. शिखा I need some lightening. So I have come up this face mask which is tomato and potato face mask. Potato has B6 into it and tomatoes have vitamin C into it, so it will lighten up our skin and give us brightening. You can also use potato juice around your eye area and it will also help in lightening your dark circles. So let's get started. So I have taken out my face wash, which is this, which is Silky Skin face wash from Inatur. It's in rose silky skin face wash. So take out your face wash. This much product is more than enough. Apply the face wash on your full face. Start rubbing it gently. Don't avoid your neck. I'm taking a little bit of water so that I can massage easily. And I'm done. Please, if you are also done, go and wash your face. So I'm done with my face wash. Take out your toner. If you have cotton pad or cotton ball, put your toner on top of it and start dabbing onto your skin. I'm just rubbing my toner in between my hands and I'm patting it onto my skin. Never ever avoid your neck. So now I'm done with my toner. I hope so that you all are done with your toner. Let it dry on its own and get your face pack. I hope so you all have kept your face pack in the refrigerator. My face pack is ready. The consistency will look like this. I've also added saffron to give little more brightening effect. And my skin is normal to dry. So as I have told you that this face mask will give us lightening effect. If you have any kind of dark spots, if you have any kind of tanning, it will remove your suntan. Start promoting collagen and elastin into your skin, so you will be having good anti-aging benefits out of this mask as well. It will lighten your skin and it will brighten your skin as well. It will shrink your large pores. If you have open pores around your nose area or on your cheeks, it will tighten them up and it will give you a tightening effect as well. But of course, you'll get that tightening effect over the period of time. It's not a magic. It's a regular process what you need to do. It's a best skin food what we all can give to our skin. I've made this face mask for my particular skin, which is normal to dry. I have added all-purpose flour, 2 teaspoons. I have added a little bit of saffron. I have also taken 2 teaspoons of potato juice, 2 teaspoons of tomato juice, 1.5 teaspoon of fresh cream, and then I have mixed them together and made this paste. I've also shared normal to oily face mask recipe. फॉर नॉर्मल टू ऑयली स्किन मैंने चिकपी फ्लावर लिया है जो कि बेसन है 2 टीस्पून. उसमें भी 2 टीस्पून ऐड किया है पोटैटो जूस, 2 टीस्पून ऐड किया है टोमेटो जूस, नीम लीव्स भी ऐड की हैं. जिनको भी एक्टिव एक्ने है या पॉस्ट्यूल्स है या पिंपल्स हैं जिसमें ब्लड और पस होता है, उसके लिए नीम बहुत ही अच्छा है. डिसइंफेक्टेंट है, आपके पिंपल्स को ड्राई करेगा. और अगर आपको कुछ एग्जिस्टिंग सिबम या एक्सेस ऑयली स्किन की प्रॉब्लम है तो आपके ऑयलीनेस को भी, आपकी ऑयली स्किन को भी कंट्रोल करेगा एंड आपके स्किन के पीएच बैलेंस को मेंटेन करेगा. और मैंने उसमें थोड़ा सा टी ट्री ऑयल भी डाला है. अगर एक्ने है हमारे फेस पे तो वो स्लोली एंड ग्रेजुअली ड्राई हो जाते हैं. ये सब इंग्रेडिएंट्स डाल के मैंने इसको अच्छे से मिक्स करा है और एक अच्छा पेस्ट बना लिया है. वो आप देख सकते हैं किस तरीके की कंसिस्टेंसी दिखेगी. इस तरीके का कुछ ये पैक दिखेगा. मैंने इसमें फ्रेश एलोवेरा जेल भी डाला है. ऑप्शनल है, अगर आपके पास नहीं है तो आप कोई मार्केट से लेके एलोवेरा जेल भी यूज कर सकते हैं. बट आपको कभी भी ये मास्क अपने अंडर आई एरिया पे नहीं लगाना है. अगर आपको डार्क सर्कल्स हैं तो आप पोटैटो जूस को लेके निकाल के अच्छे से आप एक कॉटन बॉल को उसमें डिप करिए पोटैटो जूस में और अपनी आई एरिया के पास उस पोटैटो जूस को लगा सकते हैं. पोटैटो जूस हमारे डार्क सर्कल को रिड्यूस करने में बहुत हेल्प करता है. पोटैटो में B6 होता है एंड ये हमेशा हमारे डार्क स्पॉट्स, डार्क सर्कल्स को लाइटन अप करने में बहुत हेल्प करता है. सो दिस मास्क इज हैविंग होल लॉट ऑफ बेनिफिट्स. यू शुड अप्लाई इट ऑफन एंड देन रीचेक इट. इफ यू हैव लेफ्ट इट समवेयर, reapply your mask. So let's wait for good 5 minutes. ever keep your face mask more than 5 to 6 minutes, because again it will start giving you that stretch feel, and we are doing it on a daily basis. So I would always recommend you guys that to keep it only for 5 to 6 minutes. So I washed my face after my face pack. You can take face towel as well. I am taking face tissue. Never ever stretch your skin like that, because you can develop a rash otherwise. And you can see my skin now. Get ready with your face moisturizer. I am using Clinique Dramatically Different Moisturizer today. And it is for normal to dry skin. If you have normal to oily skin, please use water-based moisturizer. This much moisturizer is more than enough. I'm applying small dots on my full face and then warming the product in between my hands. Now I'm massaging this moisturizer onto my face. So start doing it with me, guys. Always use upward strokes. Whether you are doing a face wash or whether you are doing a moisturizer, never ever avoid your neck. I'm taking a little bit of more moisturizer for my neck. And now I'm done. This is my skin after moisturizer. Now I'm gonna apply my Kiehl's Creamy Eye Treatment with Avocado. It's one of my favorite under eye cream. Whatever product you have for your under eye, just take it out and start applying it with me. I'm applying the product in small dots. And do not forget to apply this under eye cream on your eyelid area as well. Start dabbing movements. Keep on dabbing your product till the time it penetrates into your skin. Always make sure that you have penetrated your product, whether it is your moisturizer, whether it is your under eye cream, into your skin pretty well. Then only you can see the benefits of that particular product. And I'm done. So last but not the least, now it's the turn of my lip balm. I'm using Laneige lip balm today. Whatever lip balm you have, take it out and start applying it onto your lips. And I'm done now. Please do your CTM twice a day. Once you are doing it with me, and one you have to do it alone. Start sharing this video as much as you can, so that everyone, whether they are your friends, your family members, they are your relatives, girl and boys who are getting married, they should also get benefit out of this video. So keep on spreading this video, keep on sharing this video as much as you can. If you have liked my video, do not forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and whatever queries you have, you can write your queries in the comment section and I'll definitely go and answer your queries. Last but not the least, do not forget to hit the bell icon so that whenever I'm uploading my videos, you will get the notifications and you will never ever miss my video. So bye, take care, see you tomorrow.